In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a windshield washer reservoir on your Honda Accord. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. On the bottom side of the bumper, we're going to take out the clips for the inner fender liner. There's one right here, and there should be one right here as well. Remove those 2, and one more right here. Pull down on the inner fender liner. Remove the clips out of the inner fender liner. I'm going to use a trim tool. There should be one right here. The next one is up top. Keep going around, removing the clips. There's one on the bottom and one on the back side in here. On these circle clips, there's going to be 2 tabs on the back side. So pull the fender liner towards you, and then using a small pick tool, go on either side and push on the tabs and release the clip. Remove the inner fender liner from the car. Remove the hose off the washer fluid pump. Be sure to have a clean bucket under you. If you have any fluid in the reservoir, it will drain out of the pump. Push on this little tab, remove the connector. Remove the 2 10mm bolts on the washer fluid reservoir. Remove the clip out of the top of the washer fluid bottle. Lift the washer fluid bottle up slightly. And remove it out of the bottom of the car. Install the washer fluid bottle into the car. This little tab right here will click into that spot. Install the clip in the top of the washer bottle. Install the 2 bolts for the windshield washer reservoir. One up top and one down below. Snug the bolts down. Install the connector onto the washer pump. Grab your piece of hose. Install it onto the reservoir. And then onto the nipple. Install the inner fender liner into the car. Tuck this rib inside of the fender. Install the 3 clips on the back of the fender. Install the clip on the bottom. Install a clip right here. One more in the middle. One up top. You should have one clip right here. Ours is missing. Tuck the inner fender liner up into the bumper. Install the clips. Open the cap. If you have any extra fluid that you drained out, go ahead and fill it. And close the lid. Install the wheel. Get your lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 80 foot-pounds. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.